Mike Hughes here. I'm at Lil Sucker, and I'm here with Michael. And Michael, you've got a new device, and what would you tell us a little about this Little Sucker?
I'll tell you about the Little Sucker. I'm the big sucker. This is the Little Sucker right here.
Okay.
Basically, we've got this round disc. This little hole here will stretch more than twice its diameter.
Okay.
So that hole, once we peel the label off the back, if I take that and I take a Rambler of some sort, it could be this, it could be a Red Bull can. It ranges in size from about 2 inches diameter up to just over 3 inches. And I stretch it over the bottom like that, and I flip it over so the rubber is in contact with the sidewall of the container.
Okay.
Once I've done that, I can put it down on this chair, for example.
Right.
And I can lift the entire chair.
You know, that's a handy way to move chairs around, I think.
Touch it on the lip to release it.
But also, it'll keep the cylinder from moving around, too.
You're not spilling your drinks. It's been tried and tested in so many different environments. We've got stand-up paddleboards using it, whitewater rafting, a lot of fishermen.
What about scuba tanks and nuclear missiles?
You know what? We do have a company that's using one of the versions for tanks. I won't say it's a scuba tank per se.
Right.
It's a
small cylinder or something?
It's a CO testing tank or something like that.
Oh, okay.
But anyhow.
Cool.
Yeah.
So these you can just put on your boat or your surfboard, and you can be out in the water, and it's going to shake, but it's not moving.
100%. When you're bouncing around on the waves, it's always reestablishing the seal because it's forcing the air out from underneath.
Okay.
So it's
so now you can lose your board and your bottle.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, and then some of the different styles and it comes in that you can see here.
Yeah, we've got a number of stock designs, but the nice thing about it is that we have the ability to customize these in-house. So we do a lot of custom promotion motors for companies.
Dive shops, whatever, surfboards.
It doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter. And here you can see some of the different applications.
Yeah.
It's not going to move. It's going to be in place. You may have to move the whole surfboard in order to drink out of it. No, I'm kidding. And that's it. Oh, and if you want more information, we're going to go to lilsucker.com, as you can see up on the board. Anything else we need to add, or did we cover this sucker?
You did a good job. Your 60-second infomercial, I think, is going well.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.